This is an image of a tooth that had fractured because the molar behind it was not replaced and was missing for a long period of time. Now, why do we really need to replace these back teeth, especially the ones which we call molars? Now, these teeth are mostly your chewing teeth. Whenever you are missing any one of them on either one side, the following things will happen. The teeth on the side of the missing tooth will bend and they will try to adjust into that empty space. When this happens, you will develop gaps in various corners around the teeth which have started to shift on the side of the missing tooth. This leads to more food getting trapped in these corners because you have automatically stopped eating on that side. When the food starts getting trapped, you will start seeing more and more cavities forming on that side. Also, this tends to give rise to more gum disease because the bite force falls on an angulated tooth and then it is uncomfortable for the patient to keep chewing on that side. Your body also adjusts to the missing space and your lower jaw naturally deviates to the side where all the teeth are present. Now, in your entire face, only the lower jaw is movable because of this joint. When the joint pressure comes more on one particular side, you tend to develop joint pains, facial fatigue, and headaches because it is happening on a repeated day to day basis. When the teeth have shifted and you choose to replace, you're doing it in a state of compromise. Let's face it, none of us really want to go into that state of compromise. We're also at an increased risk of developing spondylosis in case the balance in the mouth is not completely symmetrical on both sides. Problems in the oral cavity are best treated in its early stages, and it also gives us the best assurance that it is going to last for longer. Happy Holi, all of you. From all of us to all of you, we hope that and wish that you have an absolutely safe Holi. Thank you.